So for this exercise, what I want you to do is to put everything that you've learned into practice. So we're going to have a client which will hit the load balancer that will run with Minikube tunnel. And then that is forwarded to the load balancer type. So the service type that I've taught you in the previous video. Then that is forwarded to the pod. And right here, you can see that the pod image. So the image is Amigos code /Kubernetes column frontend -v1, and it's listening on port 80. So bear that in mind. Then the frontend will get some data from the customer microservice through the cluster IP. So here you need to build another cluster IP, or actually another service of type cluster IP. Then that is forwarded to the pod right here. So Amigos code Kubernetes column customer v1, and then you saw that customer talks to order using a cluster IP service, and it goes like that. So basically we kind of have pretty much almost everything apart from the rectangles in red. So those are part of the exercise, and I'm going to write everything down so you can follow step by step and have everything up and running. So once you have everything up and running, the way that you're going to access the application is using Minikube tunnel. So here, let me show you the documentation. So in here, I'm in the official website for Minikube, accessing apps. You've seen node port. How do we access node port? And here they teach you how to access load balancer. So here, let me just scroll down and you can see load balancer access. We have to issue Minikube tunnel. Here you issue this command. We already have the deployment and the service. So this is part of your exercise. And then if you follow all of this, you should get the external IP that you can then replace with your browser. So within your browser, you can basically replace that, and for us will be just 80 instead of 8080. And then once everything is connected properly, you should have this full stack application right here, and this is a front-end application written in React. So here I can view orders. So this is talking to the order microservice. So the front end talks to the customer microservice, and then the customer microservice talks to the order microservice using an internal cluster IP. So have a look. So you can see that all of this is working. So go ahead and give that a go. You can find all the steps for this exercise under the description of this video.